Okay, chalo. So we were talking about this exocytosis. Okay, so exocytosis is exactly opposite of that endocytosis, right? So in this exocytosis, this cell vomiting will happen. In cell vomiting means the things will come out of the cell, right? Just like the ejection of waste material. Okay, whatever the waste material which is present inside the cell, okay, cell is no longer required. Okay, so all those material will be, just move out of the cell through the plasma membrane, so this ejection will be done by the plasma membrane. Okay, so every unnecessary things, every unnecessary substance which is present inside the cell will just come out of the cell. Just like digestion in amoeba that you have studied in your 10th chapter number 6th, life processes near the right, digestion in amoeba. In that you have seen that how the false leg will be just created and it will surround the food, and this is how it will just uptake the food. So this process is called as cell eating. Okay, so after eating and digesting all those food, the unnecessary or the undigested material which is still in there, okay, that will be just thrown out of the cell, okay, through the plasma membrane. So this throwing the things out of the cell, okay, which is no longer required by the cell, undigested or the waste material. Okay, so this is called as the cell vomiting, right? Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now moving forward, the cell wall. Now let's talk about the cell wall. What kind of cell wall, the living organism is having? The cell wall is a non-living and rigid structure. Cell wall is a non-living. You can see that. Just name me the organism who is having the cell wall. Name me the living organism with cell wall. Hello, fast. Who will have the cell wall?
Plants.
Plant.
Exactly. So the plant is the organism who bears the cell wall. Now this cell wall is a rigid structure. Rigid means what? It is so hard and not soft. It's so hard and rigid structure. Okay. Forms the outer covering for plasma membrane. So this cell wall will forms one layer. Okay, that which layer? Outer layer. And this outer layer is completely covering the plasma membrane of bacteria. So the bacteria, sometimes some bacteria are also there who has this cell wall cover. Okay, some protistans, okay, fungi, they are also having fungi je છે, they are also having the cell membrane, cell wall. Algae, they also possess the cell wall. Why? Because algae falls under the category of the plants and the plant, right? So these are the different living organisms who possess the cell wall, and the cell wall is the outermost layer and which covers the plasma membrane. This is what they said. So in algae, they have a cell wall. Okay, so the algal cell wall is made up of a cellulose. Algal cell wall is made up of cellulose. Second is galactans, mannans, mannans, and mineral like calcium carbonate. Okay, so these are the composition. This is the composition of the algal cell wall. Okay, so in exam, you can be asked, which of the following is not the component of the algal cell wall, or which of the following is the component of the algal cell wall. Okay, so you have to identify the correct content. That is cellulose, galactans, mannans, and the mineral like calcium carbonate. Right. So this is about the algal cell wall. Now the plant cell wall. Now this plant cell wall is consist of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, and sometimes protein. Okay, cellulose is the most abundant and consistently present molecule, that is cellulose. Second is hemicellulose, and then pectin and protein. Done? Pectin and protein. Now, the cell wall of the plant Now let's take a look that what are the different types and the part of the cell wall. The cell wall, the first part of the cell wall, that is called as the primary wall, which is called as the primary wall. Second one is called as the secondary wall, and the third one is called as the tertiary wall. Now, how does it will look? It will look like this: layer 1, layer 2, layer 3. Got it? So outermost is the primary wall. The outermost is the primary wall. You can see the innermost is the cytoplasm. So the surrounding the cytoplasm, the blue color layer in surrounding of the cytoplasm, that is layer 3, which covers the layer 3, the pink color layer is called as the layer 2, and then the red color layer is called as the layer 1, and the outermost white line, that is primary wall. You got this? Okay, so the primary wall, that is the outermost wall, it is very thin and elastic. Okay, it is made up of the cellulose and hemicellulose. Thin and elastic, made up of cellulose and hemicellulose and pectin, while the secondary is, it is very thick and rigid. It is made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin, that is common. Okay, it diminishes on maturation of cell. As the cell will get mature, this primary cell wall will get diminish. એ ધીમે ધીમે ગાયબ થઈ જશે, and it will get converted into the secondary wall. Slowly, more further, when the plant will get more mature, the secondary wall will get converted into the tertiary wall. You got this? Just like the stem of very immature plant of only 1 month old. એક નાનું 1 year old plant હોય તો તેનું stem તમે જો, it is very tender and you can just break it through your in between 2 fingers. બરાબર? તમે એક જ હાથથી 2 આંગળીની અંદર તમે એને squeeze પણ કરી શકો ને, you can just break it. Why? Because it is not having any rigid or tertiary wall. It is having only primary wall in its surrounding. Okay, so that is why it is very thin and elastic. Okay, as soon as that plant will get mature, it will grows, okay, through the years. Then what will happen, that thin layer and that will start converted into the hard one. The rigidity will get increased. The outermost layer. Yes,
Sir, your voice is cracking.
okay, just a sec. Okay, how about now? Hello.
Yes, sir, it is coming now.
Okay, it is okay. Chalo. I'm talking about the primary and secondary wall. Okay, so when the plant is small and immature, it will lacks the rigid, thick cell wall surrounding it. Okay, જ્યારે immature હોય, નાનું plant હોય, it is still in growing હોય, starting phase જે હોય ને તેમાં. So at that time it will don't have the mature stem ના હોય એની પાસે. Okay, so as soon as it will get mature, it will grow. Okay, slowly that surrounding layer, the primary wall that will get that will start getting thick. Slowly a thick થઈ જશે. You got this? This is how that primary cell wall will get vanish and it will get converted
Sir,
in same.
हाँ yes sir, पांचवा आवाज correct है.
अरे यार everything is okay here. Wait. Going. Has it improved?
Yes sir.
Yes.
So I was saying कि primary cell wall जे है that will get diminished, okay, after the the plant will get mature. So that primary cell wall is only visible when the plant is immature. Plant jare immature hoy na, so at that time you won't be able to see the mature cell wall. Okay, so slowly plant will grow into the mature one, and this is how the primary cell wall will get diminished from there. Okay, so secondary wall is absent in meristem cell. Okay, because meristem cells they are always keeps on growing and growing and growing. Okay, so secondary wall will not be able will again. અરે યાર શું પ્રોબ્લેમ છે આને બપોરે જવું થાય છે. વેઇટ
સર કઈ ના, હવે મંડે થી ઓફલાઈન જ છે ક્લાસીસ.
કોણે કીધું?
સર ટીચર કહેતા હતા કે શાયદ મંડે થી બોલાવશે એમ સ્કૂલ.
શું વાત કરે? કોણે કીધું એવું? કયા ટીચર?
બાયોલોજી ના ટીચર ઝીદ મેમ કહેતા હતા. એમ કહેતા હતા કે મંડે થી મોસ્ટલી તો શાયદ એટલે ચાલુ કરી દેશે એમ 11th 12th અને 10th ની.
ઓહ, ચલો ધેટ્સ અ ગ્રેટ ન્યૂઝ ધેન. તો મજા આવશે ને, તમારા લોકોના કાન પકડીને મારવાની બી મજા આવશે.
સર હજી કઈ ફિક્સ નથી કીધું, એમ એ લોકોએ કીધું કે અમે ડિસિઝન લેતા છે હજી એવું.
અચ્છા, એટલે કાન નથી પકડવાના એમ ને મારા? ચલો, so the cell wall is of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary. Primary is thin, elastic, made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, pectin. It will diminish on the maturation of cell and capable of growth. Okay, they are capable of growth. Secondary, what will happen? They are thick and rigid. Cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin, they are made up of these things. They are absent in the meristem cell. Why? Because in meristem cell, meristem means they are always keeps on growing, right? And just because of that, it will show the primary wall only. So secondary wall will not be visible there. Okay, so inner side of the primary wall. The secondary is the inner side. Okay, then the tertiary, which is present only in gymnosperm. Okay, the plant like gymnosperm, the tertiary wall can only be visible in the plant like gymnosperm, and it is made up of hemicellulose and xylem. Hemicellulose and xylem. You got this? So here you can see the layer 3 is the innermost, then the layer 2, and then the outermost is the layer 1. Okay, so layer 1 will get diminished slowly. Okay, so the place of layer 1 then will be taken by the layer 2, then the place of layer 2 will be taken by the layer 3. You understood that? So this is how the thickness of the trunk, the thickness of the stem will increase. How thickness is increasing? Have you ever wondered that? Okay, the thickness is increasing because take the innermost area. This is the layer 1, for example, the innermost. Okay, so slowly it will get mature. Okay, it will get mature, and once it will get mature, it will become like this. So in place of layer 1, now there is another layer. You got this? So this outer layer and this inner layer, they will again get mature and they will increase their size. So there is another space, again there is a space, so there will be the third layer. You got this? So this was the layer 1, which was the innermost initially. Okay, this is one step, second step, and third step. This is one layer number 1. It is here now, and it is the outermost now. Slowly it has just increased its size, and it has just came out, and it just became the outermost layer. Okay, now this is the secondary layer, which has just reached here, and this is the third layer, which has just developed. You got this? So slowly what will happen now, the next case, the layer 1 will be just fall off from the plant, so that position will be taken up by the layer 2. So now the layer 2 from here, it will went outside. Okay, so this place will then taken up by the layer 3. Okay, so layer 3 will just size up, any size worthy just. Okay, so now again there is a space, so there will be the new layer then. You got this? So this is how they are just growing from inside out. You got this or not?
सर
Yes,
एक बार
sir.
पाછા explain કરો ને.
See, this is the immature plant here. First, and first. Slowly it is growing. So there it is increasing in size. Okay, so when the layer number 1 has just increased in size, and it has just take up this size. So inside the layer 1, it is a hollow space now. So that space must be filled up. So that space will be filled up by the layer 2. You got this? So now this layer 1 has again increased its size. So layer 2 will take the place of layer 1 now. So now you can see the layer 2 je છે તેની size and layer 1 ની size je છે તે same છે. Now again there is a space. So now that space will be taken up by the layer 3. Like this. Okay. So slowly what will happen? The outermost layer je છે it's a dead cell wall je છે it's a dead cell. બરાબર, અને એ જે છે તે peel off થઈ જાય ને by the time slowly plant ના જે trunk જે છે bark જે છે એનું bark, so that bark can be peeled off, right? So slowly what will happen? This layer 1 will get peel off. Okay, so in place of that layer 1, who will come? The layer 2 will increase its size, just like this. In place of layer 1, now there is a layer 2. Okay, so from where this layer came, from here it just grows there. You got this? So now this has just increased now. Now there is a space here. Now this space will be occupied by the growth of the layer 3, which is this. So now it will grow again and it will take up its place. So when the layer 2 will get just fall off, so that space will be taken by the layer 3. Layer 3, any space like this. So one by one, they are just moving outside from the inside. So initially this blue layer was where it was completely inside here. This blue layer was here. So slowly by the gradual growth, that layer has just came out. Now it has become the outermost layer of the plant. And meanwhile of that time, the another 2 new layer has just developed inside it. So this is how one by one it is getting just unfold. Okay, so the innermost layer, which is so small, that will grow slowly and it will come outside. And outermost layer, which is already there, they will get fall off from the plant. Plant ઉપરથી લોકો નીકળી જશે અને એની પ્લેસ જે છે તે એની અંદરનું લેયર લઈ લેશે. એની પછી એ લેયર આઉટર લેયર બની ગયું. When outer layer will again fall, the place of that outer layer will be taken up by the inner layer again. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay, so this is how the cell wall plays the role, and this is how the the structure of the cell wall will remain there, and that cell wall will provide the different perform the different functions like protection and all those stuffs. Okay, that we'll also see in following section. Okay, so now these are the 3 layer of the cell wall, and that we discuss, and this is how, that is why I told you that the layer 3 will take the place of layer 2, then layer 2 will take the place of layer 1, and the layer 1, the outermost, which will get fall off from there. એ ત્યાંથી નીકળી જશે, fall થઈ જશે. So then comes the middle lamella. Now what is this middle lamella? Middle lamella is a layer between 2 cells. Okay, so if you can see that in tissue which is completely made up of a group of cells. So okay, tissue is made up of a group of cells. So in that you will see the two cell is just having one layer, and that layer is called as the middle lamella, right? So this middle lamella is consist of calcium and magnesium pectate, calcium and Ca and Mg, okay, which is called as the calcium and magnesium pectate. Now this pectate means what? In a pack kari de. They act like the cement. Okay, cement je chha na, they act like cement. So this plant cement, it is called as plant cement. So now what will be the role of that plant cement? So now this plant cement, in that plant cement, calcium concentration and the amount of the calcium is higher. Okay, calcium is higher. Okay, so it will fix nearby cell, fix to nearby cell. નજીકના જેટલા બી સેલ હોય ને એને ફિક્સ કરી દે છે. Who? This plant cement. Okay, plant cement is a plant cement nu content શું છે? What is the content of the plant cement? Calcium pectate and magnesium pectate. You got this? They not only fix the plant, but they will also fill the space between 2 cells. Space ની વચ્ચે, cell ની વચ્ચે જે space જે હોય ને, all those space will also be filled up by that cement. That cement is called as plant cement, and that plant cement is a pectate, and that pectate is made up of calcium and magnesium. In that calcium and magnesium, the calcium concentration is higher than the magnesium. Got this?
Yes, sir.
Just like
Yes.
this. if you can see just like this, there's a 2 cell and the space will be just filled up, right? Next, cellulose. In that cellulose, you will see it's a biomolecule, cellulose, and is the main constituent. It's the very main constituent of the cell wall. Cell wall no je chhe ekdam main component છે, એકદમ main part છે, most important part of the cell wall is cellulose in plant. Other constituents like hemicellulose, just a sec, battery low. Hemicellulose, caffeine, pectin, lignin, suberin. Suberin याद रखो, later on it will come. तुम्हारा next part ની અંદર, next chapter ની અંદર આવશે suberin, are also present in cell wall. Okay, these are the few other component: hemicellulose, caffeine, pectin, lignin, suberin. They are also present in the cell wall. Now this cell wall worked as the frame. Cell wall that can work as a frame or a protective layer of cell. Okay, that is, it is called as the exoskeleton of cell. Cell wall, because cell wall is the outermost layer of the cell. That is why it is called as the exoskeleton of cell. Now the cellulose, microfibrils and the macrofibrils are arranged in layer to form skeleton of cell wall. Now how this cell wall skeleton has just formed or prepared, because with the help of the micro and macrofibrils, with the help of the micro and macrofibrils, the cellulose can make an arrangement, okay, in a layer, arrangement in a layer which can act as the skeleton of cell wall. Okay, the cell wall skeleton is just made up of the micro and macrofibrils of the cellulose. Okay, in between these, other substance like hemicellulose, HC, I have written hemicellulose, pectin, and etc. All about the all other the above I have already written now about the hemicellulose, pectin, caffeine, lignin, suberin, everything. This may be present. This may be present. So in between means this micro and macrofibrils, in between the layer of micro and macrofibrils. Okay, so this micro and macrofibril, they will arrange on each other. Okay, they will arrange on each other, and in between the gap in between this micro and macrofibrils, okay, that will show the presence of hemicellulose, pectin, lignin, caffeine, suberin. Okay, it also shows the presence of these molecules into it. Okay, and this is called as the matrix of cell wall. This is called as matrix of cell wall. You got this?
Yes, sir.
Next, hemicellulose, pectin, lignin are being synthesized in plant. Okay, so from where plant is getting this hemicellulose, pectin, lignin, from where plant is getting? So plant is not absorbing it from somewhere else, but plant is capable of synthesizing it by itself in plant by Golgi bodies. With the help of which organelles? Golgi bodies. So formation of cellulose will occur by the cell membrane, and the cellulose will be formed with the help of cell membrane. You got this? So hemicellulose, pectin, and lignin, okay, which is being produced by the Golgi body. Now remember this. In exam, it can be asked. The Golgi body is known for, or the function of Golgi body, or what, which of the following is being produced by the Golgi body. Okay. Likewise, the question can be asked in the exam. Done. Okay. Sure. In next lecture, we will talk about this plasmodesmata and the cytoplasm. Okay. This is the only thing that we remaining. Then we'll move on to the next topic of different cell organelles present inside the cell. Okay. That cell organelles we'll talk about in the next lecture. Okay. So we are stopping here. It's less than 1 minute is remaining. Let me take your attendance. Attendance, and if anyone is having any query, then they can get me on the WhatsApp. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sure. Then you people can leave.
Bye bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.